Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to export an SVG from Adobe Illustrator, perfect for web graphics and responsive designs. First, make sure your artwork is ready. Check that everything fits inside the artboard. Now, click File in the top menu. Then click Export. Next, click Export As. This opens the export window. Choose where you want to save the file. In the Save As Type dropdown, select SVG. This format is ideal for web use. Make sure Use Artboards is checked. This ensures only the artboard content is exported. Click Export. The SVG Options window appears. For styling, choose Presentation Attributes. This keeps the SVG clean and compatible. For font, choose Convert to Outlines. This prevents font issues on other devices. Leave the rest as default unless your developer says otherwise. Click OK. Illustrator exports a lightweight, web-ready SVG. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.